Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Chef Rameish Desouza, a prominent Jamaican social media chef, is set to embark on a culinary journey to Norway this March, courtesy of the Norwegian Seafood Council (NSC). This initiative aims to deepen cultural ties between Jamaica and Norway, particularly through their shared appreciation for saltfish, a staple ingredient in both cuisines. At just 23 years old, Chef Rameish has made a significant impact on Jamaica's culinary scene. Beginning his culinary experiments at the age of 7, he later launched Rameish Kitchen, where he blends traditional Jamaican flavors with innovative twists. His creations such as Ackee ice cream, comfort pizza, and signature blue rice have garnered attention both locally and internationally. Now he is poised to represent Jamaica on a global stage in Norway. Expressing his enthusiasm, Chef Rameish stated, "I am absolutely thrilled to have been selected for this incredible opportunity. Norway is a beautiful country, and I'm excited to experience its rich culinary traditions firsthand." During five-day trip, he will join chefs from around the world in hands-on workshop, preparing their country's signature saltfish dishes. For Jamaica, this means showcasing the beloved Ackee and saltfish, armed with canned or frozen Ackee. Chef Rameish will highlight the dish's cultural significance and its irreplaceable role in Jamaican cuisine. The chefs will actively participate in a culinary showcase, preparing and discussing their dishes beforehand. Norwegian reporters and key figures in the seafood industry in Ålesund, Norway's seafood production hub. Beyond the kitchen, the itinerary includes touring a saltfish factory to observe the curing process, embarking on a fishing trip to immerse in Norway's fishing culture, visiting an aquarium, and cruising on Giranjorfagen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Chef Rameish views saltfish as a versatile cornerstone of Jamaican cuisine, stating it's easy to prepare, rich in flavor, and pairs well with so many different ingredients. He is eager to learn from Norwegian chefs and seafood experts, aiming to fuse Norwegian techniques and flavors with Jamaican traditions. This fusion could lead to innovative interpretations of saltfish dishes, blending the bold essence of the Caribbean with Norwegian influences. This collaboration underscores the deep-rooted connection between Norway and Jamaica through saltfish. Norway, the largest global seafood exporter, supplies products contributing to over 37 million seafood meals daily across more than 150 countries, including Jamaica. Jamaica stands among the largest consumers of saltfish per capita, with the ingredient being integral to its culinary identity. Chef Rameish's upcoming journey to Norway symbolizes more than a culinary exchange. It celebrates cultural connections and shared histories, all through the universal language of food.